Prepare the tools we need. Fix the original mold with glue and clean it. Pile up the clay and roll out a slab of clay and pallet board according to the parting mold line. Smooth the surface of the clay with your moistened fingers. Make tunnel and dig holes and clay to make latch. The latch can gather the silicone rubber mold much better and avoid dislocation between two pieces of silicone rubber mold. The latch should be 1 cm away from the mold and then remove the surplus clay. Choose the type of silicone rubber which depends on the structure, the size, and the usage of the mold. Mix the silicone rubber and cure agent. The proportion of cure agent is 2% to 5%. Then brush the first layer of silicone rubber evenly on the mold. Take them to DL. Stop vacuuming till -0.1 pound, which will avoid the mold from bubbles and guarantee the quality. Or you can reduce the catalyst if you don't have a vacuum machine, which will release the air bubbles by extending the cure time. After de-airing, brush the second layer of silicone rubber till the first one is cured. Normally, the second layer should be 2 to 3 mm. It is a bit thinner than the first one. Pour gas on it when the second cross-linking reaction goes on, and use brush to avoid any interstices. Sniff surplus gas to make the mold beautifully when the silicone rubber is cured. Brush the third layer of mixed silicone rubber on the gas and shave the fringe. Make frame with color balls and pour the plaster into the frame to make an external mold. Shave the plaster-made outer mold with a scraper when the plaster is going to cure it. Remove the clay after the plaster gets dry. Clean the surface of the original mold and brush a layer of detergent on the mold evenly, and then repeat the steps to make the silicone mold and gypsum outer mold for the other side. When the plaster is cured, put off the external plaster mold and peel off the silicone rubber mold and shave the fringe of the mold. Put the first and the second peeled off silicone rubber mold together. The two silicone molds form a complete set of molds. The silicone rubber mold can be used in production after 24 hours. Here we pour the liquid wax into the mold to make candle. Now you got the perfect candle craft.